In the last video, you learned the after returning, where we said that it executes if the method executed successfully without the exception. We also have the after throwing, that is, in this case it only executes when the method that we are intercepting throws an exception. So let's have this and see. We have after throwing. Okay, so we need a change this to point code, and we need to change this to throwing, and let name this X, and we need to change the parameter to the for this to exception EX. Okay, and let's change the message as well, and the message for this will be exception is count. Okay, and let's have the message for this ex dot get message. Okay, so we have to equal to here. So let's save these changes. Okay, now that the method is not throwing an exception, we will not have any message. Okay, you can see we only have the method that is saving user call that we call in the app. So now let's go to the user, that is the app, and pass null here. Remember, if you pass null here inside the user service, it will throw an illegal argument exception. Okay, and in the service monitor you can see our method does not execute. So let's change this to monitor exception. I forget exception, monitor exception. So let's try to run this now. You can see we have the exception and the method it executed. The exception is count, that is null pointer exception. Okay, so we are having null here because we did not pass the message to the illegal argument exception. Let's go to the user service and have the input is null. You can see we will have the message the input is null from our service monitor, that is the interceptor. You see we have the input is null, it intercepted. That is because the method throws the exception. Okay, now this is what we have so far, and see you in the next video.